LG Q92 with Snapdragon 765G spotted on Google Play console, pops up on Bluetooth SIG as well. LG Q92, an unannounced smartphone from the South Korean company, has been spotted on Google Play console and Bluetooth SIG sites. The listings hint that the company is indeed working on the new phone to launch in the future. The LG Q92 is tipped to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor, paired with 6GB of RAM. There is also an image that is leaked alongside the Google Play console listing, but it could well just be a placeholder, and the LG Q92 could see a completely different design. The LG Q92 was spotted on Google Play console by My Smart Price. The phone is listed to come with a Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The pixel density is tipped to be at 420 pixels per inch. The LG Q92 is expected to run on Android 10 and be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G SoC, paired with Adreno 620 GPU, 625 MHz. The RAM on the upcoming phone is listed to be at 6 GB, but there may be more options at launch. The image listed alongside the Google Play console listing could be a placeholder image, but if not, then the LG Q92 may have a hole punch display with the cutout placed in the top center. A slight dent on the right side of the screen suggests a side-mounted fingerprint scanner as well. This also hints that the LG Q92 may have an LCD display, instead of an AMOLED one that is required to incorporate an in-display fingerprint sensor. Apart from this, the Google Play console listing suggests little else. The LG Q92 was also spotted on Bluetooth SIG, lending more weight to the possibility of its launch in the future. The model number associated with the phone is LMQ920N. The phone is listed to support Bluetooth V5.1. There is no word from LG regarding the launch of this device as of yet. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.